Red Southern Kitchen. Today we're going to be making oven fried chicken. Well, you know, cooking chicken in the oven does tend to dry it out, but one way to take care of it is good old buttermilk. Marinate it for a little bit in buttermilk. In here I've got 6 pieces of chicken, 2 thighs, 2 legs, and 2 breasts. I do know how to cut up a chicken, but sometimes it's just easier to buy it already cut up. And then the extra pieces I put in another baggie to use them to make broth and stuff. Alright, I have a cup of buttermilk here. To this, for a little bit of flavor, I'm going to add a few dashes of Texas Pete hot sauce. Texas Pete is one hot sauce that I can deal with. And I don't know if I showed you or not. I know I did it, but always shake your buttermilk to get the solids all mixed up. Alright. Now, I want to try and get all the air out of this if I can. Alright, I'm going to put this in the refrigerator. You need to put it in there at least 30 minutes. But you can leave it up there. Put it in overnight if you want to. Just makes it better. Alright, we'll bring you back whenever it wins in a couple hours. See you shortly. Alright guys, I've got my chicken out that I've been marinating. It's been marinating almost 6 hours. And I have it in a little container. Preheat your oven to 425. And then what we're going to do is we're going to look for the butter that I just had. And then a jelly roll pan. Put half a stick of butter. Now you want to melt the butter in this pan, so I'm going to stick it in there while it's preheating. Alright. Now, in this station, we're going to add a cup of, what in the world? Oh, it's underneath. A cup of flour. Doesn't matter what kind, all purpose is self-rising, but that really doesn't matter. And I need a cup of Panko. Whoops, please don't let me waste that. Need everything, or the rest of this is going to be all teaspoon. A teaspoon of cornstarch. This is what's going to make your chicken crispy. Teaspoon of salt. Teaspoon of ground mustard. Hey, it fit. Teaspoon of pepper. Teaspoon of granulated garlic. Teaspoon of celery salt. And a teaspoon of smoked paprika. Oh, come on. Whoops. It's been paprika. And just blend this up together. That's a lot of mixture for 6.5 pieces of chicken. Alright, I'm going to wait till that butter to melt, and then we'll be back to dredge all this up. Do that shortly in a minute. Alright, I decided to put this in a bag to make it a little bit easier to coat. Sorry, not talking much. I don't know if y'all been paying attention to my music at the beginning of every video, and it changes. I love the blues, so I went on YouTube audio library, and I've got so many more to check out, but I found a bunch that I was really liking. Now when you put it in, try and get skin side down first. You are going to flip this. Alright, I'm going to stick this in the oven now. And this is going to cook for 30 minutes on the first side. Then we're gonna cook it, turn it over, and then cook it for another 20 minutes. But you want to try and reach your internal temp of 165. So we'll be back. See you shortly.
Okay, here we go.
Alright, I'm getting ready to turn this, but I decided I am gonna add a little bit more butter. Crap, on the counter. Oh, look how pretty. My problem is my kitchen and whole house is lopsided. Alright, I'm going to put this in for another 20 minutes, and then we're going to come back in and check it with a thermometer. I do know that in probably about 15 minutes I'm going to come and turn this over a little bit because that one's big. Maybe this one too. Alright, we'll be right back.
Okay.
Alright guys, our oven fried chicken is done. With this, I'm having some southern squash and onions, which I'll add a link for the recipe. I made some chicken gravy and some rice. Hold on a minute, I gotta get something for the gravy.
The rice, the chicken, the empty plates.
Alright, some of these pieces got really brown, but they look moist. I like thighs, so. Tony put his rice and gravy and stuff on, because y'all know my picky man.
Mm-hmm.
These are some of my squash that I put up this spring. But alright guys, our oven fried chicken is ready. I want to thank y'all for joining me. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have y'all in the family. We have so much fun over here. And when you subscribe, don't forget to hit that bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video, which is every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Leave me a comment. Give me a big thumbs up and share this out on your social media. Alright guys, Sunday dinner's ready. Bye.